Right, so with the energy crisis looming, we are looking today at possibly trying to save some money heating the workshop. I currently have an old, I don't know whether you can even see it down there, but an old 2 kilowatt fan heater. It's got two settings, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and also has a thermostat. The thermostat is not very sensitive, shall we say, and it either heats up too much and then I have to turn it off, and then it will cool down quite quickly and I have to turn it back on again. The 2 kilowatt setting is really only used when it's freezing outside, and it's just a bit of a pain. I do control it with Alexa. It's on one of the TP-Link plugs, but I was wondering if there would be another option that's going to produce a more gentle heat that maybe we can run for a little bit longer. So eventually found this Climatik, whatever, ceramic desk heater. It's only 500 watts, so we can run that for longer, hopefully with a more gentle heat, and yeah, see if that is better all round. We might save some money, we might not, but I can leave it on for at least twice as long at the same cost as the 1 kilowatt version of the fan heater, sorry, the 1 kilowatt setting of the fan heater. So there we go. Now it's very plasticky, as you'd expect. I think that's I don't know, actually no, I think that's plastic. So this is a CDH50, 500 watts, climatik.co.uk. Pretty basic instructions. Let's have a look. Product features. Yeah, okay. Why does it say 04, 05, 06 when there's no 01, 02, 03? Insert the plug. Yeah, okay. Press the standby button on the side. It will begin heating. Default mode upon startup is high. To adjust the temperature, select your preferred heat by using the plus or minus buttons. Whilst in high mode, the heater is continually on and is not affected by the temperature in the room. Whilst on a selected temperature, the heater will be on until the temperature of the room surpasses the selected temperature. Perfect. Don't let any dirt, blah blah blah, don't get it wet, yeah, don't cover it. Okay, so very basic instructions. Got a dirty mark on the front. So it looks like we've got up and down and a standby button and an on off switch on the back. Little rubber. Oh, so we've got 2 rubber pads and we haven't got one at the back. So that's not very good. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see that. There should obviously be a 3rd foot on the back. Right, so let's plug this in. And as it says, it flashes up 2 lines, and then we'll turn it on. That helps if it's turned on at the back. I wonder why that came on when the switch on the back was off. Interesting. Right, let's try again. Gosh, I mean, there's very little in the way of airflow coming out of there. Oh, that's better. Now it's heated up, you can feel it more. I mean, it's reasonably noisy, but it's probably quieter than the other fan. Oops. Let's see if we can turn the temperature down, see if it clicks off. It's 22 in here at the moment. Oh, seriously? That's the lowest setting? You've got to be joking. $25 is the lowest setting. Okay, not impressed with that at all then. Nobody wants the workshop to be at 25 degrees. So I suspect this is going to be a fail and we'll be going straight back to Amazon as a piece of junk. I think that will stay on until the element is cool and then turn off. Cool, lots of smelling of burning, that's for sure. Jeez. Ooh, I don't know about that. Yeah, so it's cooled the element down sufficiently and now we'll go off to standby. And every time you turn it on, it comes back onto the high setting. So yeah, that is really not what I wanted. I expected to be able to take that down to at least 20. I certainly don't want it 25 degrees in the workshop. That will never go off now. So yeah, I think that is a fail. And if I'd realised that it only went down to 25, I would never have purchased that in the first place. So it'll be interesting to see whether that is on the Amazon listing or not, and whether I missed it. Very nasty smell of something burning on this. I'll tell you what it smells like. It smells like burnt rubber. Smells like burning rubber. I've got a good mind to take that apart and just have a look what's inside. It's 20 quid or 25 quid, whatever it was. Maybe I won't. Oh, it stinks of burning rubber. Really, really not impressed with that. That can go straight back. I was expecting better than that. So yeah, that with the missing pad there, the overall appalling quality. Did that go off because I rolled it around a bit? Let's try again. Yeah, I think it probably did. It's fall over protection. Yeah. So that's good. I mean, that's a good safety feature. If it falls over, it's going to turn off. It carries on blowing till the element's cooled down, but that wouldn't really be an issue. To reset, you've got to go to the back and turn back on again. But the fact that I now can't control that with Alexa, yeah, is perhaps an issue. You've got to turn it on every single time, and you've got to drop the temperature down every single time. So yeah, sorry Climatik, that is a fail. 25 degrees is way too high, and maybe that smell will go over time, but yeah, not too impressed with that. Anyway, I was hoping to be a bit more positive there. We'll have to see how. I really don't want to heat. I was going to say we'll see how accurate that is. I could put it in a box and let it heat up the air inside the box and see if it does actually trigger at 25. But, you know, noise-wise, not too bad. Still got that smell there. I think it's probably less, or I've got used to it. What a shame that doesn't go lower. I'll update you later when I decide what I'm actually going to do with this.